So the 0304 Cobra has a very specific LED third brake light that wasn't found on any of the other Mustangs for the new Edge. And it does have specific hardware, Torx, little fasteners there. And Late Model Restoration does sell a kit for these two. A good friend of mine has a Terminator that had a new brake light put in, and it doesn't have the original factory hardware. So I'm just gonna show you what late models hardware looks like compared to the factory OEM. This is the part number, and I'll put a link in the description as well. And to save the bag, there's a little hole in it so the air gets out, and I'm just going to take it out that way so I can put these back in the bag for safekeeping when I'm done. So I think they look close enough. What do you think? The only difference I noticed is that the new ones are a T20 size, where the factory is a T15. It's not a huge deal. It's just an observation. But shout out to Late Model Restoration. That's cool that they're providing the parts that we need as these cars are getting older. They have a cool passion for Mustangs. So here it is. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. So if you need some third brake light screws, hit up Late Model Restoration. That's cool. I really like that company, how they're taking care of Mustang owners and getting the parts that are getting hard to find. So thanks for watching. Please check the video description for my full playlist on the Mustang maintenance and repair, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.